here in the rainforest. Enjoying the day. We travel up to that lake that we went to last time. Got some special guests today. I'll bring you back. Oh, yeah. Well, I get to hang out with the Arizona Bushman today and another YouTube channel, Eat Carbs, and we're kind of walking down here at the recreational area, just taking pictures and checking the place out. You know, this climate and this area is a little different than what he sees on a normal basis, so we're stopping to check everything out, smell the roses. Trying to find a path that heads down to the lake. All kinds of cool, like here we have a covered picnic area with a kind of a barbecue, and it is raining out here. It's raining right now, but it's just what we call rain up here. It's just sprinkle, you know, like down in Texas or something like that. It's not something that that falls down with really any velocity. So I think that I found somewhat of a doable path. Everything's pretty wet and slippery right now. Especially the soil next to the lake is like clay. And I'll take you out here. And just check this out. I'll swing the camera around here in a second. When I get just beyond these trees, this mud is pretty slippery. You can see this is the bank of the lake, pretty much. And that lake is kind of like a really different colored green. There. All kinds of little cascading waterfalls going into the lake. And you see, I see maybe 4 or 5 of them just from this spot right here, coming all the way down from the top. There's some snow up on the peaks up there, which is pretty cool. We have, I think it's willow. We have some buds here. So I'll bring you back in a little while. Finally made it down here. Just about slipped and busted a couple times. But snow-covered peaks. The water's kind of a cool looking color. Got these stumps look like they're kind of like an octopus walking across the sand. There's a hollowed out one down there. Be kind of a cool place for an animal to live. But look at that up there. Isn't that beautiful? Might just take a screenshot of that.
You're right down there, almost there.
Yep. Get my ugly mug out of the camera here. See if I can get some of this footage going in without it being too messed up. Last time I got video, but I had the lanyard, the neck lanyard, kept on brushing against the mic, so I wasn't able to use any of that Got some polypore fungus there on a standing dead. Got a nice little animal home right there of some sort. Just cool. It's just pathless woods. Just go where it seems like it might be easy to walk.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
So no F-bombs.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll just edit that part out.
I know how troublesome editing can be, so.
Well, it's not that big of a deal. It doesn't bother me. Careful there, I sunk in.
Alright.
Might lose a shoe. Hear the sounds of the birds. The wind blows across the trees here, and you get some raindrops falling. Ooh. Yeah, you notice even when you step on these logs that are already on the ground, your foot sinks into the logs.
Yeah. Like a sponge.
All right. So this is the creek I want to cross here. Just got to find a spot. Find a bird's nest?
Yeah, we're playing on the ground.
Oh.
Probably last year to throw out.
Yeah, there's the spot I went to last time.
Happened to me that time.
I don't know what those are. Looks like a fungus or a it's a type of mushroom that collects water at the top. Pretty cool. I've been seeing those all over the place. Mushroom down there.
Oh, yeah?
Like
Hey,
collects
this way looks like it's almost a natural path.
where? This right here?
Yeah, right between
Yeah,
the
that's right.
trees, up the bank.
This is where I crossed that last time.
Okay. I'm gonna do a right shot.
There's a little waterfall. Some skunk cabbage down here. Whoop. There's one down. Almost had a big man down. Watch out, there's going to be some branches popping back behind me.
Alright.
Here it comes. Yeah, look at these polypores growing here. Pretty cool. You can see the sun coming through the trees here. It's just amazing. There's a lake with shine on. The shine on it makes it kind of hard to see. Here we go. Setup I always have. Tracker. Saw. Clean canteen. And Mark just got me to weigh this, and it was 30 pounds. About 32 pounds.
If
So
one of these runs is stable, we could go.
that's my regular load.
We can
All
go
right. For lunch, the black. I've never had this one before. That was supposed to be a snack. I'm probably not going to eat that. Let's see what else. Cheesy jalapeno brats. I think that's it. I got all kinds of goodies in there. That's going to be lunch. Alright, got the fire going. Wasn't easy. Gave me a lot of problems. It's still kind of fiddling out here. But it's going. Should have some food and water here in a little bit. Seriously, it took a while. Cheesy brats and noodles. Once again, got Mark's bannock in the fire there. Pretty good to go. Out here in the pathless woods. How cool is that? This is a little creek cutting through stumps, going under the ground, under logs. These barely see the campfire smoke over here. Nobody out here for miles. Haven't heard a single car. We're out here on a lake. There's not even boats or jet skis or anything like that. It's just we're out here all by ourselves. It's really nice. Beautiful out here. Whew, man, you just sink. Sponge. Yeah. I'm a coming. We got John Campbell from Arizona Bushman up here in the Northwest. We got Mark from Eat Carbs. I'll throw links to their channels in the description. Mark's got some bannock. Bacon.
Go for it.
Bacon and... what else is in here?
Just flour, baking powder, milk powder. No salt. Shortenings. Yeah, go for it. And water. It's a big piece.
What do you think, John?
This is good.
Right on.
Put just a wicked edge on it.
Yeah, I gotta pick up some more stuff for
I've been meaning to get more stones, but
I gotta come up with a crappy mouth pad so I can bleach some 600 grit sandpaper to it.
Oh, for convex.
Yeah.
Jeez. Look at that. My foot disappeared almost. I'm gonna go this way down here. Well, that's about it, folks. We are packed up. We had lunch and bannock, and now we are on our way out. Oh, that is. about to drive me nuts.
I got back from that hike one time and I took my hat off and set it on the top of the car. So I went back and stuck there and footwear. I'm driving down the road and I'm like, shit, my hat. So I go all the way down. No, I think all the way down my buddy stopped. And then it hit me. Oh, God, I don't have my hat. He's just like, so? I'm like, this.
Right.
Came around all the way back up there. Couldn't find it. So disappointed. So out the next day about my road.
I think we came in right there.
Yeah.
You hear that?
That's what it looks like. Yeah, you said it looks like we came in.
Yeah. Because we stopped right here.
Yeah.
I remember when I came up, I had to go back to my kennel and up back.
Right.
You guys had to point ahead. And then coming around. That's really a stick without the bark on it. And I've sneaked on those many times.
There we go. I think the water rose up a little bit while we were over there.
Messed up. A lot of people.
Well, that's about it. It actually, it's rained on us, hailed on us. That fire was pretty difficult getting started. I mean, we had a lot of feathers, balsam fir sap. Ended up switching to a man-made accelerant just because lost patience with it. Could have spent more time and got it going, but you really got to search for, you know, the right tinders and materials. And having company here today, I just really wasn't into looking for it. But we did have fun. I appreciate you all watching and commenting. Enjoy the outdoors, everybody.